Hey guys, what's going on? Well, we're on our way to Sturgis Mustang Rally. We're in the truck, Bad Pony's out in the trailer, and we're still in Texas. Well, gonna be about a 19-hour ride. I'll check in Oklahoma. Hey guys, just checking in. We're about to leave Texas. We got 1,000 miles left to South Dakota. We're just about into Oklahoma. Let's see, about a half a mile. As you can see, not much to see here. Glad I didn't make you sit through this. Anyway, we're gonna keep on moving along, see how far we get. It says we should be there by 7 a.m. We shall see. Let's see. We are now in Oklahoma. What's up, guys? Just entered South Dakota. Does it look like Kansas? Nebraska? So far, yes. They all look the same. But I'm about an hour and 20 minutes away from where we're staying. Figured I would check in. And been driving about 18 hours so far. So I will check in from South Dakota when we get there. Y'all have a great day.
One eternity later.